In this video, we are going to install Ottocast Picasou 2 wireless Android and wireless CarPlay streaming device. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. We have a nice round design which measures at about 3 inches by 1.3 inches thick. Weighs in at about 1.1 pounds. You have your brand name up front, which does light up and you can change its colors to your liking. On the back side, you have your air vents with your reset button right here. And in here is where you plug in your USB-C. And it has a nice channel groove. Has a nice groove here, so when you run your wire, it does sit flat. On the side here, we're gonna go ahead and use our pin. We're gonna go ahead and eject. This is where you'll place your nano SIM card and your micro SD card. Your nano card does support 4G network, and your micro SD card supports up to 128 gigs. Right next to that, you have your 1080 HDMI port. It has 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM with a built-in GPS. You can use apps like TikTok, Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. Included cables, USB-C to USB-C, or USB-C to USB Type A. A USB-T cable. Some car models may not provide sufficient voltage. In such cases, a T cable is provided. Your pin for your card slot, install manual for your T cable, and your user manual. You can also get the optional remote control. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. So first, I'm going to go ahead and connect the cable. We're going to go to the back of the unit. Go ahead and plug it in. And then route it through this groove right here. Then you go ahead and plug it into the car. Once you plug it in, it does light up. Now you wait for it to register. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and enable. Now you're set. Alright, first let's go ahead and connect to Apple CarPlay. We're going to go ahead and go to Bluetooth. And we're going to search for device as Picasou. Go ahead and click on that. Alright, now that I'm connected, I'm going to go back out. We want to go to General. Go look for CarPlay. Look for Multiplay. Go ahead and click on that. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. Once you turn that on, go ahead and go back out. And we're going to go ahead and hit multiplay on the screen. Now we're connected to Apple CarPlay. Let's check the steering wheel functions. What's the weather today?
Looks like it will be cloudy today. Daytime temperatures will hover around 65 degrees, with overnight lows around 55.
Now let's try and pair with Android Auto. We're going to go ahead and go to Settings, Bluetooth, hit Bluetooth again, scroll down, look for my phone, and we're gonna go ahead and hit connect. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and pair that. Now we're all set. Now let's check if the steering wheel functions work with Android. What's the weather today?
It'll be mostly cloudy, with a forecasted high of 64 and a low of 52. Right now it's 64 degrees and mostly cloudy.
Swipe to your right, go back to your home. Now next, let's go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. Go to your network settings, turn on Wi-Fi. And let's see what we can connect to. Let's go ahead and connect to my phone Wi-Fi. Now that we're connected to Wi-Fi, let's go ahead and check if we can watch YouTube. We're gonna go ahead and go to YouTube. Perfect.
In this video, we're going on a tour.
Alright, you can also go to full screen. Go ahead and touch that. Make it go full screen.
This is beautiful. How is this real?
And we can also change
This and a $100,000
and watch everything in
Right this way, sir. A $50,000 vacation where we have the Eiffel Tower completely
1080p.
to ourselves.
I'm holding on for dear life.
All the way down to this
$1 vacation.
right over here, boys. This
Let's go ahead and try Netflix. We're gonna go ahead and sign in, and you're set. We can go ahead and play. Okay. We can go ahead and fast forward. You can see it's pretty responsive.
And afterward, this will help you.
Next, I went ahead and plugged my mini HDMI cable, hid it under the console, out through the back, right here.
You think Paris is going to go?
After you plugged your HDMI port, you want to go ahead and go to your main screen. Let's go ahead and lower this down first. Alright, then you want to go ahead and swipe down. Oops, sorry. Go ahead and swipe down. And you see these menus here. We're going to go ahead and swipe down one more time. Look for Cast to HDMI. Go ahead and click on that. There's Netflix playing. And we have Netflix on your rear monitor. To change the color of your ambient light, we're gonna go up here, go ahead and hold this down. That'll bring up your recent list here. We're gonna go look for LED settings. Now that we have that, we're gonna go ahead and see if it works. Purple, green, red, and you have the color wheel. Next, we're going to go ahead and try and pair this Bluetooth remote. To go into pairing mode, you want to hold down the OK button and the return button. There we go. And that should be paired. There we go. You can turn the cursor off, just like that. and turn it back on. You have your volume control. Perfect if you want your backseat drivers to have control. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.